Hi guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name is Stephanie and today we are going to be cleaning out my closet. Yes, we're cleaning out my closet here. My closet, I need to get out anything that does not fit, like anyone else. I do have clothes that don't fit. I need to, secondly, get out everything that is for spring and summer and just pack it away. But there's a catch to it. We only have 2 Rubbermaid bins. I have 2 Rubbermaid bins that I get to use for my spring and summer clothes. So you might think that's not very much or that's a ton. Well, that is what I'm going to use. That's what I'm going to try to dwindle down to. So whatever I can get into these 2 bins will be what I will keep for spring and summer. I'm trying to get my clothes down to what I wear all the time. This is our closet, and our closet has a huge space. Hold on, cord. Our closet is quite huge. It goes way back into there. It's quite the closet. And we have lots of stuff in there. But then I consider part of our closet this area right here. Now you might wonder, like, there's nothing there, but when we are done with it, it's going to have all my jewelry, a mirror. I have 2 windows right here, and then there's going to be a vanity where I can sit and actually get ready. So this entire area is going to be just getting ready for the day. And so it really is a beautiful, beautiful space, which is why I was willing to give up a lot of bathroom space that I could have had than I could have had, basically. So let's get into this. I just wanted to show you that and kind of give you an idea as to where we're working. I'm going through all of the closet right now. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what I dwindled everything down to, and I'll show you what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping, and this is everything. So here we go. Okay, so these are all the hangers that I'm not using because I'm taking all the spring stuff out. You might be wondering, like, what in the world are all these drawers? These are like my pajama tops, my pajama bottoms, and these are all like swimsuits and stuff. I keep the swimsuits out because my husband and I, we actually have a hot tub, so I use those already all the time. These are all of my shirts that I am keeping. These are my skirts and all that kind of stuff. There's a couple of them jean skirts that are not clean yet that will go there, but those will be there. And then this is all my blazers and sweaters and jackets. Jackets that's in like jean jackets and like the blazer jackets. And then these are all my church things. I dwindled it down to colors, and then spring versus summer, and then I tried everything on and what fit. I dwindled it down to basically one of each kind, so like an A-line skirt and a what do you call it, the straight skirts. And so I did that, and then I kept all of the colors, the designs ones, as long as they weren't the same. I have a polka dot here and a flower one here, and then went through, basically kept all of my leggings and underwear and socks and all of my bras and sweaters, slips, my hats. These are my fancy hats. I love hats. Anyone who knows me knows I love hats. These are all my undershirts that I wear. I don't have many that I use, but you don't need a ton from the black, white, gray, and beige. These are all scarves and blanket coat or blanket sweaters, and then all of our coats. My absolutely beautiful wedding gown that I like, oh, every time I see it, like, it just makes me gush. It was my favorite, absolute favorite dress. All beading, and it was and is still my absolutely favorite dress. And I paid $150 for this dress. So I can't tell you, like, I found this dress the first shop that we went to. It only had this right here for sleeves, and I didn't want to wear completely sleeveless, so I added a little cap to it. And my son's here showing a poppy in his American shirt. Hi. Anyway, and then I dwindled down to these dresses. These are all the dresses that I don't own very many dresses, and I'm really trying to get more dresses and start wearing more dresses than I do mostly anything else. And then I did do the belts, which you saw. I have 3 house coats. This is my husband's. If these are dirty, then I'll wear his. So I love house coats. Anyways, so those are what I did. Now I have, these are dirty. If my hand is moving crazy, hold on just a sec. The medicine I'm on for my seizures causes tremors, and so sorry about that. this is all the stuff that I get to keep for spring. It goes in the bins, which are over there. And then this is everything I'm getting rid of. Honestly, a chunk of it, I'm like not sad whatsoever, because it's like I haven't wore this in like forever. And then there's some skirts, because I've been put on this medicine for my epilepsy. I have gained weight, and the weight gain is probably the hardest. The weight gain, I'm gonna start crying. The weight gain and the chunks of hair falling out are really the hardest for me. And so, but I can always buy more skirts. There's a store named Ricky's. They always have skirts. And so I'm gonna just give these few skirts that don't even zip up anymore to somebody else who can use them, and they can enjoy them just as much as I used to. And so those are on their way out the door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, what do? You give it a big thumbs up. Yeah. Yeah. Should you clean your closet out? Should you go clean your closet out? Yeah. Why? Should we have a bunch of clothes in our closet?
Nope.
Nope. We should be getting rid of stuff and letting other people use it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, what should you do?
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. And then you hit the subscribe button, and there's a little bell.
Yeah.
Should they hit the bell?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's going to happen?
You'll set up.
They'll get a notification. They'll get a notification that that I have uploaded a new video. And when you get that notification, you can watch my new videos. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.